Hello guys, good day. I'm Carl and today I'm going to show to you the Google Classroom in the web view. First, make sure that you have a Gmail account to access the Google Classroom. After you log in the Google Classroom, go to Google Classroom website. Technically, classes can be created by me or the educator, or rather the instructor. If you are going to join a class, click the plus button in the upper middle right side corner. Then click Join Class. In here, you could type the code given by the host and wait for the host to accept you in the class. Now, if you want to create a class, click the plus button again and click Create Class. And there, read the guidelines and check the box Notice, then click Continue. Fill the necessary info like class name, section, subject, room. Once we are done creating a class, click or open the class we created. See in the upper middle corner, there are streams, classwork, people, grades. Before we create a task, make sure to add your student who are enrolled to this subject. You can add their name or email. So now, let's go to Google Classwork. To further explain, Classwork can be used as submission files like PDF, Docs, PPTX, and etc. We're going to create a new activity assignment. First, let's click the Create button. Second, click Assignment or Activity button. Next, enter the title and instructions for your assignment. Next is setting up the due date and the class where it can be posted. Also, you can add some attachments file in the activity or assignment. You can choose files from your computer or Google Drive. Let's click File. When you're done, click Assign, and there you go. You post the assignment in your class. These are the 7 steps on how to use Google Classroom.